Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing types of Prodigy players. So yeah, let's just get into the video. The noob.
Okay, this thing looks cute. I think I'm gonna capture it. Okay, not sure what an all-out attack is. Falling Star Smash. How many counters are shown? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 counters are shown. Okay, I don't know what this all-out attack thingy is, but it looks like it'll be good, so I'm gonna use it. Counters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22! Oh my god, I got another one correct! What? What is this doing? Huh? 2958. That's higher than I can count. What is going on?
The addict. Okay, I just finished every single level. I'm already on level 100. I've only been playing for one day. I already completed all the towers I can. Almost all my pets are on level 100. And yeah, nothing really else you can say. The hacker. Okay, I've only been playing for about an hour, but I got all the best gear in the game. I already got the Trial Masters. I already got the Rainbow Cloud, even though I wasn't here in Season 1 of the arena. Oh, my pets are already on level 100. I have pets that are barely even in the game yet. Imagine not hacking. The idiot. Okay, absolutely no way I can lose. I have the best armor in the game. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What? Okay, so I got one right, so I guess I just have to put one in. What? What? Isn't that what I put in? Another question wrong. Well, at least they missed. Let's see if we can get this next one right. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So I got that one right, so just that. How do I keep getting these wrong? How? I'm getting them right. Prodigy's is stupid. The anti-hacker. Okay, we're in Animalia, the capital for hacking. Let's see if we can find any hackers and report them. Hackers are the worst thing that ever happened to Prodigy. Where is one? Oh, there's a hacker. He's gotta be a hacker. He has the Trial Masters and the Dragon Spike crown. Report him. Hacked items. Oh man, the mailbox is full. Can't hack anyone today. Report hackers. Dang it. The YouTuber. Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about the 10 rarest pets in Prodigy. So yeah, let's just get into the video. The Cringy Prodigy YouTuber.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an insane challenge that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be battling the Titan. See, right over there on the right, there is the Titan. He is absolutely overpowered and is so hard to beat. But yeah, what we are going to do is have to beat the Titan, and if we lose, we are going to have to lick my dog's toes, which would be absolutely disgusting. So hopefully we do not lose.
The guy that loses every battle. Dang it, another question wrong. Hopefully he doesn't beat me. No, I lost. Oh, again? Why do I keep losing? I didn't even get a single question right. I must be exhausted. Yeah, I am. I am exhausted of playing this game. 100 gold? I barely even have that much. I wasn't even using a pet. How much gold do I even have? Oh my god, I have so little gold. Oh my god, no. The crybaby. Why do I lose every single battle? I just wanna go home. I hate playing Prodigy at school. I hate being forced to play this game. I just hated it. I just wanted to leave my account. The rage monster.
Yet another battle lost. Why do I keep losing? Why? I'm gonna bite myself. I hate this game. I just want to freaking delete it. Why?
The kid that is forced to play. I don't want to play Prodigy today.
You're going to play Prodigy, boy.
But I don't want to play.
Yes, you are going to play Prodigy.
But I don't want to.
You are going to play, or I'm gonna beat you.
No, please don't, Mama.
Then play Prodigy.
No.
Okay, you ask for it.
The spammer. Okay, time to start a party. Let's see if we can get everybody to spam an apple in the chat. This is gonna be a great party. Oh wait, somebody's already got cake up? Let's do cake. Let's see if we can get some cake in the chat. Come on, why isn't anyone doing it? Come on. I'm not gonna spam Puck. I'm not gonna spam Puck in the chat. I'm not gonna spam Sharky. Come on. Why isn't anyone spamming cake? Spam cake with me, everybody. Why? Spam cake. The AFK. The beggar. Man, I love Prodigy so much. But I don't have membership. How am I ever going to be able to have fun if I don't have membership? Mom, can we get membership? No, honey. Why? Because it's a waste of money. No, it's not. This game's educational. It'll encourage me to play Prodigy. No, the answer is no. I am not getting you some useless membership that you're only going to use for 3 days, and then you're not going to use it anymore. Come on, Mom. Please. 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 I'll do anything. Please. And last but not least, Mr. Report. Okay, time to report some people for being weird and stuff. This guy's copying Camden Bell, my favorite Prodigy YouTuber. Report him. Okay, let's see. You can't morph into that. Report. How is this guy on level 66? Report them. What is it? What even is this? Report him. Okay, guys, so that's gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just so you know, I didn't actually report any of those guys. Sorry if the acting was bad. I'm not an actor. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.